Hi guys! Today we are learning how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger. First, unlock your phone and open the Messenger app. Make sure you're signed in to the account where your encrypted chats were stored. Once the app opens, you're ready to access your account settings. Now, tap the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the main menu, where you'll find different account and app settings. From here, you can continue to the next step. Next, tap Settings to open your Messenger settings page. Here, you'll see several options related to your account and privacy. Scroll until you find the Your Account section. In the Your Account section, tap Account Center. This is where Meta manages your Facebook and Messenger account information. Once it opens, you'll see several account management options. Now, tap your information to access the Information Management section. This page lets you manage and download the data linked to your Meta account. Continue to the Export option from here. Next, tap Export Your Information. This option allows you to request a copy of your account data, including available Messenger information. You'll be guided through the export process. Now, tap Create Export to submit your request. Once the export is ready, the file will be saved to your device's Files app after you download it. If your end-to-end encrypted chats are included in the exported data, you'll be able to view them from the file. If they aren't available there, unfortunately, they can't be recovered through this method. And that's how you can check whether your end-to-end encrypted Messenger chats can be recovered using your exported account data. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below for more simple step-by-step tutorials.